Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liz and I am participating in another challenge. This is called the Fall Recycle and Remix Challenge. And this is hosted by Simply Deborah and Miss Faye Marie. And what they have asked us to do is to take any home decor item and turn it into autumn awesomeness. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. I will link their channels down in my description box, so when you finish mine, please go over to their channel and look at their video as well. And also I will have the playlist in my description box, so when you finish watching their videos, please come back and click on everyone's video who participated. Are you guys ready to see what I came up with? Well, if you are, please keep watching. Okay, for this DIY, we're going to be using a cute thankful sign that I picked up from Dollar Tree. We're going to use a glass plate. We're going to use a little candle that I got from Dollar Tree. 3 pine cones. And one of these little cute little things, I'm not sure exactly what you call it, but one of those, and some leaves, real pretty leaves, and then our glue stick. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, this DIY is going to be very quick and easy. The first thing that I did off camera, I didn't do this on camera because I thought I was in film mode and actually realized I didn't push the button. So first thing I did was I took this glass plate and I took some bling wrap and just glued it around the edges, around the whole entire plate like that. So that was the first thing I did. Next, I'm going to take these leaves here and I'm going to put them around this tray. Put them around this plate. I'm going to glue them. I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these underneath the glass plate. So I'm gluing them up under the glass plate, like that. And I'm going to continue all the way around until I use up all of these leaves. Okay, I have these 2 leaves that are left over. I don't need them, so I'm going to put them aside. And this is how it looks so far. Really cute. I tell you guys, this is very simple and quick. Next thing I'm going to do is take this little cutie pie here, and I'm going to hot glue it right in the center, right here, right in between the leaves. Hope you guys can see that good. Alrighty, that's looking super cute. Now I discovered that I need to fill in some of the little spaces here, so I'm just gonna add this one and put it over here, because I don't want too much space in between, you know, where the leaves are. That's looking cute, Now I'm gonna see if I can put this one somewhere. I'm pretty sure I can. Let me see. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. And here you have it, you guys. I hope that you guys like it. I figured out how to get this thankful sign up here one way or another, since it would not glue on top, you know, on top of the candle. It just wouldn't stay, probably because of, you know, the material of what it is. It just wouldn't stick. So that's okay though. I finally figured it out, and it still looks cute anyway. But here are the leaves around the plate. And then I just added the pine cones, 3 pine cones, the candle, and this little pick right there. I think it turned out really cute. And I just want to thank Miss Faye Marie and Simply Deborah for hosting this. This was a fun, but it was challenging though. It was challenging for me because it was hard to figure out what exactly I wanted to do for this DIY. But I was able to turn this little plate into something fallish. So thank you ladies so much. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I really would appreciate it. And click on that little bell so that you will be notified of whenever I upload videos. And to all of my returning friends, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I hope that you like this. Please give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk to everyone and see you guys later. Bye.